Good morning, everyone. This is TJ Simmons with Shield Insurance Agency. I'm sitting at my office right now on a Thursday, about to go to Kent Quality Foods today in Hudsonville. They are doing their grand opening, so that will be cool. But I wanted to make a video today to talk to you guys about renters insurance and give you a little bit about it as far as how it works, what it covers, and why you should have it. Renters insurance policy in America, only 36% of renters actually have a policy. So that means that there's 64% of people renting, whether it's a house, a condo, or an apartment, and they don't have coverage. So that's pretty scary. On average, the monthly premium for a renter's policy is $11 a month, which is like a trip to McDonald's. That can cover you for quite a lot of stuff. And then if you add that up over 12 months, it's only about $130 for 12 months. So that's a great price for some awesome coverage. Now, what does it cover? So your coverage with a renter's policy can be anywhere from $20,000 to $100,000. And what that covers is your personal property. So the example that I like to make is take whether it's a house, a condo, or an apartment and flip it over so your front door is on the bottom. You open that up, everything that's able to fall out of that door is your personal property. So that $20,000 to $100,000 would cover that. A cool thing about renters insurance is that it also covers your personal property away from your premises. So let's say you're riding your bike downtown and you decide to go out to eat somewhere. You leave your bike outside and someone steals it. It's a $600 mountain bike. Very nice. Your renters insurance only covers 10% away from your home. But if you have $60,000 in coverage, you have $6,000 away from home. So that $600 isn't going to be a problem. One thing that you do have to remember, though, is it is subject to your deductible, which for a renter's policy, claims are usually smaller. So I would suggest somewhere around a $250 deductible. You pay $250, your insurance gives you a new bike. Not bad deal. Another thing that renters insurance is really good for is if you accidentally damage the property. With your liability limit, if you were to, let's say, leave a popcorn maker going in the kitchen of the house that you're renting and it accidentally started the cabinet on fire above it and it started all of the cabinets on fire, melted the floor, melted the backsplash, melted the cabinet countertops, and you got $100,000 worth of damage. You got a $200,000 liability limit. Your insurance will cover it once you pay that $250. So that's really nice to know because you never know when something like that is going to happen. And the big thing that I like to bring up is if you are in an apartment complex, you're actually connected to other people. So what if they had a fire? Would your stuff be covered by their insurance? No, it wouldn't. So that's another good reason to have a renter's policy, because if someone else has a fire and it affects your stuff, you would be covered. So those are a few really good reasons. I'm trying to think of some others off the top of my head right now. I just thought of one. A really good one is everybody in Michigan, specifically, that's the only state that we write in. Everybody in Michigan has a auto policy if they own a vehicle. On auto policies, there's this really cool discount called the multi-policy discount, which would be if you had two policies with that company rather than just one. That discount can be as much as 13% with some companies. So if you're paying $100 a month for your insurance, you get a 13% discount. So now you're only paying $87 a month, correct? Yeah, correct. You're only paying $87 a month now for your insurance. And your renter's policy, if I remember correctly from earlier, is only $11 a month. So now you're paying $98 a month for renter's insurance and auto insurance. And you have all that extra coverage. So those are some great reasons to have renters insurance in the state of Michigan. If you don't have renters insurance, feel free to reach out to me or our office. Our direct line is 616-896-4600. Again, my name is TJ Simmons. I'm with Shield Insurance Agency. We're right here in Hudsonville, but I help the whole state. So thanks so much. Have a great day, everyone.